Are you looking for the best underwater camera? In this video we will look at some of the best underwater camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. GoPro Hero 8 Black Waterproof Action Camera. Do you enjoy underwater adventure and maybe you'd like to view the experience at a later date via your smartphone? Well, the GoPro Hero 8 is the perfect alternative for you. With a 12MP high-performance camera, the GoPro Hero 8 is small enough to give you peace of mind when recording 4K 60 videos. The Super Photo Improved HDR allows you to capture crisp photos and videos even in low light. The upgraded HyperSmooth 2.0 ensures even better stabilization from the previous generations. With Time Warp 2.0, you can capture super stabilized time-lapse videos. Designed to snap photos up to a depth of 33 feet, the GoPro Hero 8 is a must-have if you're really searching for a high-quality sleek camera for underwater photography. At number 2. GoPro Hero 7 Black Camera. Another underwater camera that has really won a large market share in the underwater photography arena is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Welcomed with positive criticism by most sporting enthusiasts, the GoPro Hero 7 offers you a set of exclusive features that will make your underwater photography cool and fun-filled. The reason why this camera has continued to impress is due to its powerful 12MP camera that lets you record 4K 60 videos at depths of 33 feet. Designed with an intuitive touch display, this camera lets you upload your best videos to your GoPro cloud storage for a later view via your smartphone. To give you an unlimited feature-filled experience, the GoPro has added in a voice control command feature, HyperSmooth video stabilization and slow-mo video capability to make it easier for you to enjoy an exclusive video or photo shooting experience both on the ground or underwater. At number 3. AKASO EK7000 Ultra HD Waterproof DV Camcorder Camera. This camera is capable of snapping crystal-clear 12MP photos both on land and underwater to depths of up to 100 feet. AKASO EK7000 offers various shooting modes like loop recording, burst photo, and time-lapse. Powered by a 1050 mAh rechargeable battery, this camera features a 170-degree wide-angle lens, 2.4G remote control, a 2-inch IPS touchscreen display and built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI, making it the perfect action camera for underwater photography. At number 4. Fujifilm FinePix XP140 Waterproof Digital Camera. Designed to take 4K/15p videos up to a depth of 82 feet, this waterproof camera is ideal for snapping photos of marine life when swimming or conducting underwater research. This camera is Bluetooth enabled for easy transfer of photos and videos right to your smartphone. To make video recording even more fun-filled, the Fujifilm FinePix XP140 is designed to allow remote shooting where you can use your smartphone or tablet to adjust the settings. Available in 2 distinct colors to choose from, black and sky blue, this camera is the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. At number 5. Olympus Tough TG6 Waterproof Camera. One of the best waterproof cameras that will advance your underwater photography experience is the Olympus TG6 Waterproof Camera. Designed with an excellent quality coupled with a set of brilliant features, this camera allows you to take underwater photos up to a depth of 50 feet. The TG6 is able to snap Ultra HD photos while still allowing you to shoot 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p HD videos at 120 frames per second. Designed with shockproof, 7 feet, dustproof, crushproof, 220 lbf, and freezeproof, 10°C capabilities, the TG6 is among the best underwater cameras you can't miss to buy.